You know, I grew up in Alaska. I've always had a passion for the outdoors. It's really ingrained in our culture.
ConocoPhillips has had a long-standing focus on environmental and species and habitat conservation.
Conservation is one of those just fundamental values. It's an element of being free.
Ducks Unlimited has been just a great partner with ConocoPhillips for more than 40 years.
This partnership has impacted generations of livelihoods, generations of families, generations of lives.
All of the volunteers who work on these efforts and raise money.
Two great organizations have been shoulder to shoulder for 4 decades, making great things happen. There's a lot to be proud of. You think about the work that we've done in Alaska. Together, ConocoPhillips and Ducks Unlimited,
And the Great Land Trust.
were able to protect the last unprotected functioning estuary, which is really the nursery of your marine life. The work that we've done across the Midwestern United States, up and down the flyways that the magic of migration occurs on, helps to recharge the aquifer, which is good for not just waterfowl, not just wildlife, but people.
Over the past 5 years, 900,000 acres have been conserved or improved. In Louisiana, we have more private wetlands than any other private holder.
The coastal restoration areas are so critical, not just to the species and the habitat in that area, but for our communities as well.
We partnered with Ducks Unlimited to protect and enhance more than 25,000 acres of land.
An area that is essential to America's energy security. It is essential to America's seafood industry.
As we build up terraces along the area, it's really to help us with flood protection when the hurricanes come, and we really want to design and help support resilient communities for the long term.
Protection of their way of life, their culture.
That ecological value of those wetlands is globally significant.
This partnership has produced all kinds of great projects.
All of those ecological services bundled up.
For more than 40 years.
It is about that larger conservation ethos that is generational in its impact.